SMODE allows you to make an object look at another object. To illustrate this, I have imported a 3D model that I found on Sketchfab. The idea is to manipulate the orientation parameters of one object based on the position of another. To illustrate this, I will create a new object in my composition, which will be a simple sphere. I will then move this sphere and bring it forward, and then reduce its radius. I want this sphere to be the focal point of this 3D object's gaze. I carefully select the type to be either position orientation or position orientation size. This choice provides me with the target option, enabling me to designate in the first drop-down list that the target is a specific 3D object. Therefore, if I move the sphere around, the 3D object will follow it with their gaze.